Better late than never. I'm so sorry. This video is 2 months late, but we're here now. Come on and sit down and let's get focused. So, the original video was basically me saying that I prefer to pinch. Separating braiding hair is no longer the thing because it takes too long and we are trying to maximize our time. So, I was showing this is how I pinch. I only pinch very small pieces of braiding hair. Now, when it comes to installing, those small pieces I use to build the braid. Some people prefer to separate and they pull very specific pieces of braiding hair, the same sizes. Me personally, I don't prefer to do that because every single client's hair is different. Clients that have denser or more coarse textured hair, they don't always need thick strands of hair. Clients that have finer or thinner type hair, they need medium to thicker strands to build the braid, but you have to be very careful on adding too much hair because if their hair is already thin or fine, the heavier the braid, the more damage you could potentially cause. So for me, I prefer to use smaller strands when I am installing my hair to build the braid. Some people like to count their strands. I don't really count. I just keep going until the braid is built to the way that I like it. That will allow me to tuck the client's hair behind the braiding hair, and the length is appropriate for what I'm going for. It took me some years to get to this point, but with practice, you can definitely get there. I hope this helps. If you need further explanation, please let me know.